this gig, I'll create a spokesperson video and chatbot for your website. You may have seen my avatar chatbot gig already. Well, this gig is the next level up from that. I lead a team of spokespeople who will professionally welcome your website visitors and speak any message you like, as well as draw attention to your chatbot, which I can program to help you capture lead information, offer coupons, direct people to your offers, and so much more. A chatbot can help you in the following ways: appointment booking, conference registration, customer acquisition, customer feedback, customer support, exit deals, join our mailing list, offer coupon codes, offer a discount, restaurant table reservations, sell software, sell training, e-courses, take online orders, webinar registration, boost e-commerce sales. You can choose from a wide variety of spokespersons, male or female, choose the nationality, accent, language spoken. You can even choose the standard of dress to suit your website. Message me for examples before you order.
I can promote your offer alongside your chatbot.
I can welcome and engage website visitors and lead them to your chatbot.
I'm ready to be your website spokesperson. I will draw more attention to your chatbot, helping you boost engagement, leads, and sales.
Please message me before placing your order so I can customize your spokesperson character and chatbot to your needs.